Alright guys, we're going to change a battery on these Hyundai and Kia remotes. These are your smart keys. We'll start off by taking out the emergency key. Put it to this side, take a flathead, get into this groove, and you can gently pry it out. There you go. To the side. This is where your battery is. You use your flathead again, a blade, maybe a nail, to pry this gently out. Go. Alrighty. These remotes take a CR2032 battery. Let's put it back in. Plus side facing down. Push on this side. And it should click in place. To put it back, we'll just line it up. Go. Put the emergency key back. And there you have it.